Heaven sent should be heaven sent. After visiting the 24-acre property, you'll see. On entering this property, you immediately become intrigued by the lush landscape and quaint rustic structures. The compound has its own water supply with a well, a 240 volts AC current windmill which runs part of the property. A standby generator is also there if ever fails. The property has a total of 16 bedrooms over 3 buildings. The cozy 2-story main house with swimming pool accommodates 6 bedrooms, a 4-bathroom and a powder room. Another building close by houses 6 1-bedroom units with an ensuite bathroom and a 7th which is bigger and can hold up to 8 beds. A third building accommodates 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, living, dining and kitchen. Building number 4 boasts a 3-level with a bar, 2 bathrooms and a meal serving area on the ground floor, 2 rooms on the middle floor and a large covered space on the upper floor, which could be perfect as a yoga deck or as you see fit. Check out the description box for further details if you'd like to arrange a viewing or just find out further details on this property.